G'day people, I'm Sharyn. Welcome to my channel. And do I look excited? Because I sure as heck feel excited. A few days ago I showed you my blue quilt and how by putting pieces of fabric around the sides I was able to give a quite different look to my quilt as you go. One thing led to another, and I'm about to show you the very first time that I've used this idea with my designs. This is a slightly different approach to doing my designs. I'm using a King Tut thread and I've got the 14cm hoop, 140mm hoop and my older machine. I've got a much wider piece of wadding than you've normally seen me put in, and I'm going to put in sort of a little bit bigger piece of fabric in the middle. And pull up my bobbin thread. Remembering that I always babysit the machines while they do this first row of stitching, because this is what stitches everything together. Babysitting it. Trim it off and get it off the machine, and I'm going to turn the machine then back into a regular sewing machine. I cut out that square with 1.25 inches from that line, just inside that line, to the edge. And you'll notice that I've also drawn some lines around here. That is where I'm going to sew down the tape that I'm going to put around this. So I put the edge, the cut edge of 1.5 inch tape down that line. My needle is going to be just inside this line, or it should be, because that's what I have adjusted it to. Let's see how we go. I have a feeling I missed filming something there. I'm really excited about this. I have to have these first two already moved out of the way. That is going to be amazing. Really super pleased. because I cut these out around the edge as I did, I can just stitch down here now. I might need to practice how to get these perfect. So there's my finished square, and I am totally stoked by how it came out, because honestly, new ideas for doing things are quite difficult to come up with, and this one is completely adding something new. I will think about it and make it better, but to start with, whilst you can see these little sections of the fabric there, in the finished item they won't be visible. There are some other things that I would choose to do a bit better, because this was the very first one that I tried to do. I would stitch down the two, what will be the short sides, and then I would stitch them open on each side before I added these other two pieces, the full length ones. That will make it a little bit better. Here there's a tiny little pleat, as there is here. Won't matter for this one, but I can do it better. I'm just amazed. This is going to be fun. See you next time.